Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix DraftKings Location not working so you can place bets without errors. DraftKings requires your device to share your location to confirm you are in a legal betting state before you can place a wager. If location services aren't working, you might see errors or be blocked from betting. Here's simple steps you can follow to fix it. First, make sure location services are turned on. On your phone, go to Settings and find the Location section. Turn Location on if it's off. Then find the DraftKings app in your list of apps and make sure location access is allowed for DraftKings. Next, check your location mode or accuracy settings. On many devices, you can choose how accurate your location is tracked. Set it to high accuracy or precise location so DraftKings can detect where you really are. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it on. Wi-Fi helps improve location accuracy even if you're not connected to a network. Sometimes just restarting your device can help. Turn your phone off and on again, and then open DraftKings to see if the location works. If you see a prompt in the DraftKings app asking for location permission, accept it. Sometimes apps don't ask again, so checking in your phone settings is important. Also, make sure you are in a state where DraftKings legal betting is supported. If you are outside a supported area, the app won't let you place bets even if your location settings are correct. Finally, check for app updates. Go to your app store and update DraftKings if a new version is available. Updates can fix bugs, including location issues. After doing these steps, open DraftKings again and try placing a bet. If location still doesn't register, close the app completely and open it again. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want fixed next.